Do you struggle with sparse or uneven brows and don't know how to fix them? Don't worry, today I'm showing you the easiest beginner eyebrow routine you can ever try. First, I am using a spoolie to brush up my brows upward so I can see their natural shape clearly. Then I'm going in with this Xyron brow glue to apply in the eyebrow area of my face. I'm going to use this spoolie in it to brush up on brows upward manner so that they will have that laminating effect on them, and if there are any excesses you can just use your hand to wipe it off. I'm also going to use my hand to press in the glue in it so that everything will be way more defined to have that laminating effect very well. And when I'm done with this, I'm going to use my hand fan to make it to dry. You can use anything AC to make it to dry. Next, I'm going in with this soft touch brow pencil in color 18 to outline my brow to give it that defined shape. The key is to keep it soft. Don't press too hard. You just have to trace the line in your eyebrow area and follow every bit of it so that it can align well. When I'm done with the bottom part, I'll also go to the upper part of my eyebrow to also outline it as well from the arc to the tail level, just as you see me do in this video. Next, I'm using my soft touch pencil to align the brows and fill them in accordingly. You need to take your time while doing this process. You don't have to rush, just take your time and fill in the brows. Then you're also going to fill the outer part of your eyebrow to give it that natural defined look. My brow is already looking defined, but we need to proceed. Next, I'm going in with this 5-in-1 face lifter concealer from Xyron to conceal underneath the brow. So I'm going to put a little amount in my palm and I'm going to use my angle brush. When you're using your angle brush, it's the flat part you are using, not using it to dab. So I'm just going to pick a little out of the concealer and use it to clean it up for more defined look in the bottom part of my eyebrows, just the same way you see me do in this video. And you need to trace the line. You also need to take time while doing this process. You start from the arc part down to the tail part before you now move to the outer part of your eyebrow. And also you need to be very fast while using your concealer because this concealer dry out fast, so you need to be fast with it as well. Next, I'm going in with my blending brush to brush out the excess concealer in the bottom part of my eyebrow area. Next, I'm going in with this classic HD foundation. This is 2 shades darker than my main skin tone, to apply in the outer part of my eyebrow. You can use a concealer or a foundation for this, or you can just go in with just one, but I like using 2 types of products on my face while doing my eyebrow. You can see how natural my outer part of my eyebrow is, so natural and well defined. I'm also going to use the foundation to clean up the upper part of my eyebrow area as well for more defined look. I'll also use my blending brush to brush it out as well. I will use my pencil to outline the part that I'm cleaning up as well. And that is it. Easy, beginner friendly brows. Even if you have never done your brows before, let me know if you want more advanced brow tutorial. From me to you, I love you guys. Bye.